According to Metro Bank, finance is the management of money, and financial literacy is about knowing the basic financial concepts to be able to use and manage your money wisely. This includes budgeting, saving, investing, and borrowing. According to the World Bank 2022, only 25% of the Philippine adults are knowledgeable on basic financial concepts. Therefore, the implementation of financial literacy program for students at the very young age is not only beneficial, but also important. That's why we're going to teach you how to budget your money wisely.
Number 1. Stick to a 50-30-20 budget rule. The rule states that dapat mo ilaan ang 50% ng pera mo para sa mga needs mo, like food, bills, transportation, groceries, and medicine. While the 30% of your money para sa mga wants mo, like online shopping, gym membership, entertainment, and many more. The last one is the 10%, which is for your savings and debt payment. As a student, you should know this rule and apply it. In your everyday lives, you can also switch them if you like. For example, you want 30% of your money in your savings and debt payment, while the other 20% is for your wants.
Number 2, track your expenses. In order to budget your money, you need to track your expenses to know in which aspect or cost you usually spend your money on. After finding the causes of your expenses, you can now start planning how to budget your money or use the 50-30-20 rule that we have said.
Number 3. Create an ipon challenge or use a cash wallet. Sa pamamagitan ng mga ipon challenge o pag-cash stuff ng mga pera gamit ang cash wallet, mas may iwasan natin ang pag-overspend and we are more encouraged to stay within our budget. Hindi lang yan dahil makapaglalaan ka pa ng emergency funds para sa sarili o para na rin sa pamilya. Our group made a customizable ipon challenge template. You may access this through the link below. This can be used as a printed or digital savings tracker. Happy earning!